What? 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 I swear to God. Oh my God, don't do it again. Don't.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet.
Whoa.
Oh no!
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
It's the moment you've all been waiting for. This is Molly, and she's an 8-year-old golden retriever. I'm bathing her today in our dirty dog shampoo and our de-shedding shampoo. Molly was given up by her previous owners when she was 6 years old because they said that she does not get along with their other dogs. But I don't believe that, because Molly wouldn't hurt a fly. We're spraying her down with our 50-50 vinegar water mixture, and then we're blow drying her with the high velocity dryer. Then I spray her down with the Stuff for Dogs and brush that through her coat with my Chris Christensen coral brush. Then I use my undercoat rake, my equi groomer, and my metal comb. Once she's brushed out, I shave her ears with my number 7, and then I trim up her Grinch feet. Then I shave out her paw pads, and I tidy up her body and her tail nice and neat. Then I spray her down in our sugar cookie cologne, and she's all done, looking so beautiful.
Oh.
Would you like to tell them why you were on Santa's naughty list today? It won't last long with that kiss. This one, when I was in the store, never done this before. Well, maybe since he was like a wee little baby. Decided to go in the grocery bags and pull out raw nuts. Now, I don't think he ate a lot. I looked it up. They're safe. I won't be giving him any more, so I don't have to worry about like fatty liver disease or anything, or pancreatitis. And I think most of them are below inside the cup holder. But seriously, I was in the store for 10 minutes. Thank God you're freaking adorable. Asher.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Okay, I hate this trend. It's ridiculous. There's the fucking shark. You don't feel it. Watch. Just wait.